Good morning, everyone. My name is Caroline Hansen. I'm a graduate student at Georgia Tech in the School of Chemistry there. Today, however, I have the pleasure of representing Three Bioscience, which is a startup out of Georgia Tech and Emory University. We have developed a breakthrough platform nanotechnology for the targeted delivery of drugs. Now, what is targeted drug delivery? Well, when you get a cut on your hand and you go and pour hydrogen peroxide on that cut, you're not pouring it over your whole hand or your whole arm even. You're just pouring it over the cut where it needs it. And that's really what targeted drug delivery is in its most basic form. Of course, the benefits of this method really drastically increase when we're talking about treating more serious diseases with more severe treatments. If you think about if you have a tumor in your brain, if you have brain cancer, and you're administered a drug to kill that tumor, what you really don't want is that drug going all over your body, right? Because that's going to start killing healthy tissues, and that's where we see the side effects of current treatments. Ideally, you'd like that treatment to be localized right at the tumor. This will help avoid the side effects we're seeing and also increase the efficacy of the drug to kill that tumor. And this is really the future of medicine, targeting drugs to where they need to be. This is why it's about a $70 billion market today. So our platform technology, which we've just filed a patent on, it's patent pending, allows us to target and deliver biologic drugs and to treat various diseases, so cancer, for instance, various cardiovascular disease, so breaking up those blood clots that have caused a heart attack or a stroke, and even bleeding disorders, genetic bleeding disorders, as well as just severe hemorrhage after a really bad injury. This totals about a $30 billion market in the United States. However, we've decided to focus on a specific bleeding disorder called hemophilia. Hemophilia is a $5.7 billion market in the US, and we've decided to focus on it for two reasons, really. The first being, currently, about 20% of the patients that have hemophilia, the drug that they're using now doesn't work for them. And this increases their treatment costs from around $100,000 per year to $800,000 per year. That's a huge increase. From our preliminary evidence, we think we can make this treatment effective for them by focusing the drug where it needs to be. And we think that we'll be able to cut costs of this treatment in half and save the healthcare system around $1.5 billion. The second reason is really more of a practical reason. So we think that because hemophilia is a rare genetic disease, it's shocking. There's only 20,000 people in the US have it, and it's costing us almost $6 billion to treat. We will be able to apply for orphan disease status as well as breakthrough drug status because we'll be making the current treatment actually effective for the subpopulation of patients. These FDA designations will allow us to get FDA approval a little bit quicker, as well as make it somewhat less expensive for us. So right now, we're still in proof of concept. We're just finishing that. And okay. So we're seeking non-dilutive funding to start our preclinical trials. Once we get through those and actually get our patents approved in the US and the EU, we'll be looking for pharmaceutical partners to partner their drug with our technology, and then we'll enter into clinical trials. And then once we get through that, we think that this will allow us to springboard our technology and go back and treat the bigger markets like cancer and cardiovascular disease. With that, I will thank you very much for your attention.